Hi, doc. Come. Any pain, discomfort, anything? Nothing, no, sit down. So you're applying scar cream on the lip?
Yes.
Okay. Any pain in the rib harvest side? Okay. Have they removed the sutures?
Yeah.
Remove. Okay, still hard. No. Look down a little bit. Yeah, perfect. I got it. So you can see we've done a lot of work on the lip and the nose. There was a lip redo and a nose redo. The lip is now like this. Few days after suture removal, I'm going to take off the splint. All right. Have a look. It's beautiful. Yeah. There should be some more views also. See, one more thing. Look carefully in the side. No, you see here. Your upper lip, lower lip was pouty. Now see. Okay, I haven't touched the lower lip because it's a muscle that goes around. So if tightened it and adjusted the upper lip, the lower lip gets everted, goes inside. See that side view? Okay. Then the nose also. Okay. We reduce the weight, multiple things done. You're happy?
Yes.
Miss? Anda? Malayalale? Super Anda? Innu right out. So 10 to 12 ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ ಅವತ್ತೊಂದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The swelling is there now, don't worry. That's why it looks a little bit more. Here also swelling is there, here little swelling is there. If you see from down, slight you can see, but from front you will not be able to make out. Nobody can make out. And the scar also already gone. Not like before, there was a big scar, thickness is there, shape is there, everything is good. If possible, come and see me maybe after a few months. Then we can also do any teeth if we need to do.